Purely Diffused. Today we're going to be talking about Leigh's monthly wellness box for July, and it's got some really awesome stuff in it. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Before we start talking about the box, make sure you guys take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can keep watching all our amazing, awesome, fun videos.
Yes. Alright, so one of the first items I threw into my auto ship order for July was the Art Gentle Cleanser. It is a beautiful cleanser. It's really gentle, but I find it actually takes off my foundation, which...
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, a lot of natural cleansers don't do that. So this is the bottle. It is so pretty.
It is.
And it's got like a foaming pump, so I'll just put a little bit on my hand here.
Lovely.
It's super, super foamy, but actually cleans the face perfectly. So it's just a blend of essential oils that are really good for cleansing, anti-aging, and powerful enough that my makeup comes off.
Necessary.
Yes.
It's beautiful.
It's a beautiful package. Yeah, it looks really pretty on my bathroom vanity, so I like using it. I'm probably even going to dilute this a little bit so that I get 2 bottles out of 1.
Yeah, there's a lot of Young Living products are super concentrated, so there's usually a hack for any of our products that you can get at least twice the amount.
Yeah, so that's always really cool. Yes.
It's in my next order.
Yeah, it's gonna be
for sure.
It's gonna be a regular purchase for me because I'm really happy with it. It's really nice and gentle. I have very sensitive skin, so there's a lot of cleansers that I cannot use, and I haven't had any problems with this, so that's really good. So it's infused with honeysuckle, frankincense, royal Hawaiian sandalwood, Melissa, lemon, and lavender.
Those are a couple of really bougie oils, so I mean, you're definitely getting your bang for your buck with this one. Super excited for it.
Yeah. I ordered 4 essential oils this month, and then I got 2 free because there are always so many good promos every single month. So I will share those freebies with you last but not least. But one oil that I can't even say that. I was excited for all these oils, but really excited for Valor. So this is an essential oil that is a blend. It has black spruce, cinnamon, camphor, blue tansy, frankincense, and geranium. This is an oil that people will use to boost confidence. It kind of makes you feel empowered. It's good for emotional balancing. It helps to relieve snoring, so you can diffuse it at night. You were saying that you use it alongside RC.
Yeah, so based on Chinese medicine, your big toe is actually connected to your head. So I gave my sister-in-law a roller with some Valor and RC in it to put on her snoring husband's big toes when he's sleeping.
Life hack. Valor is known as a unicorn in a bottle because it's got this beautiful blue color, but even if you apply it to your skin, it will absorb and go away. It's just that blue tansy that's in there that gives it that beautiful pigment. This is a good one for kids who are struggling in school with some attention issues. This helps to refocus them and bring the attention back to whatever task they're working on. So if you've got a kiddo that has some focus and attention orders, this is definitely worth making into a little roller ball for them.
Yeah, I actually bought it for my youngest son to help him with his temper tantrums, and it worked really great.
Awesome. All right, this is a new oil to Young Living. It's called Kunzea. This oil originates from Australia. The reason that I bought it is because it was traditionally used by Bushmen to ward off ticks. So they would sleep under the trees, the Kunzea trees, because ticks don't like the smell of this. So if you guys have ticks in your area, if you have a tick spray that you're already making, add a few drops of this for some added tick protection. It's also really good for spot treatments, blemishes, good for fatigued muscles, so you could add this to your muscle balm. And you can diffuse this when you are trying to purify the air, so if you've got some stanky smells in your house, add some Kunzea. It's got a really nice woodsy, earthy, very unique smell. I really like it. I smell a little bit of citrus.
It's very light.
It's very, very light, yeah. I'm getting like a powdered hard candy.
Powdered hard
Yeah,
candy.
like one of like a runt, like runts.
Yeah.
Do you smell runts?
It could be like green apple almost.
Yes.
Like a faint green apple.
Oh my god, yeah. So one that I bought to add to my facial serum because it has amazing anti-aging benefits is Elemi. So this is a poor man's frankincense. high. I don't always want to buy
Also
a bottle.
bought it too.
Yeah, don't always want to spend $100 on Frank. So this is one that is really good for pretty much the same properties as frankincense. It's going to help to reduce the inflammation, the redness. It works on fine lines and soothing the skin. You can also use this on any existing acne scars, so that's really cool. You could probably just use that with a carrier oil on its own and use that with use that as your facial serum if you have a lot of acne scarring. You can diffuse it for reducing anxiety and stress, and it's really good for chapped skin. So if you've got dry, cracking skin, or if you have any rashes, try using Elemi.
I'm excited to try it. I get really dry skin around my nose since having children. Thanks, kids.
Yep.
So I'm super excited to try it, but I haven't busted it out yet.
Yeah, it's got a nice smell as well too.
Mm-hmm.
Very faint. I get like citrus, woodsy, floral.
What's in there? Yeah, that's another one I can't put my finger on what's in there.
And it's so funny because you get different scents coming from different people.
Mm-hmm.
The next oil that I got in my monthly wellness box is Jade Lemon. I was so excited to try this one because I personally gravitate towards the really citrusy smells. I find them really invigorating, energizing, and just they kind of like uplift my mood, I would say.
Yeah.
So for morning time, I really love anything citrus, and this one has a few unique properties that are different from lemon. So it does have the high concentration of the D-limonene, which all citrus oils have, but this one actually helps to support clarity of the mind. Jade Lemon is unique in that it helps to open up and release emotional blocks. So that's the great thing about using oils, is that yes, you can definitely use them for their amazing scent, but they have such a powerful impact on our emotional well-being.
So much more than just an oil. Yeah, I actually got it free a couple months ago through my kit order. It
So
smells
good.
It's almost like a little bit of a tangier lemon scent.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's
It's
beautiful.
very nice. Yeah.
I've heard it's great for fighting colds as well.
Oh.
Sarah said that she used it with her children when they were sick, and she said she had really great results with it. So.
And that's part of that D-limonene, the high antioxidant value. You're not going to get any vitamin C from your essential oils because they're cold pressed from the rind, not from the fruit itself. But it's got the antioxidants. Okay, so the great thing about being on Essential Rewards, you get free oils when you order. So
Great oils this month.
you cashed out huge.
Yeah, I
didn't
got
you?
like 6 free oils. I go big though.
I didn't. I stuck to the 125 PV order, so I got 2 oils that I'm really excited to share with you guys. The first one is Citrus Fresh. I always have a hard time saying that. Citrus
It doesn't roll
Fresh.
off the tongue right.
No, it sounds very weird coming out of my mouth.
But it's exactly that. It's citrusy and it's fresh.
Oh, it's so nice. So it's a blend of a few different fruits. It is orange peel, tangerine peel, grapefruit peel, lemon peel, mandarin peel, and spearmint. This is one that we typically use just to add to our water. She's been hooked on this stuff with her kombucha because she's pregnant. So
Gotta get my bubbles in.
yeah, she's just looking for like a mocktail, and this has been something, I don't know, are you doing this every day?
Pretty much. And you introduced me to
did.
it, and I've been hooked ever since. It's also part of my perfume. I wear it daily. It is a photosensitive oil, but I don't seem to have any issues wearing it in the sun. But it's
A little
definitely
bit
one.
more dark.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
definitely one you need to take caution with if you are going to be wearing it outside.
Yeah.
But it's very uplifting. It's got like this sweet citrusy smell. It's beautiful.
It is. It's really
So
good.
Love it.
You diffuse it in the morning, diffuse it like at any time. I think this would be a really nice oil to diffuse in a bathroom when you have guests over.
Oh, yeah.
Because who doesn't love the smell of citrus fruits?
Yeah.
It's so good. And then the second free oil that I got for July was Tangerine. And again with the citrus, just
So good.
so good. Actually, a really cool tip that you could use for any of the citrus oils is to add them into your fruit salad, or I know. My kids are obsessed with sliced strawberries and lime essential oil. I've even managed to chop up a little bit of mint in there for them, and it's just really nice and refreshing. Tangerine on its own is a really good digestive aid. So it's an antispasmodic. So people that have a lot of like diarrhea type symptoms, It's just usually pregnancy. It's usually just a nice, easy way to kind of help relieve that. So I would personally ingest it, but you could definitely put a carrier oil with Tangerine and rub it along the abdomen. It's really good for boosting your immune system. Again, those antioxidants are present in a cold pressed oil. And because it's so uplifting, it can help with some depression symptoms. So that's always a good thing to have on hand.
I can smell it. It smells so good.
It's so nice. Yeah, I actually just dabbed some on my wrist because I want to smell tangerine.
The great thing about any of the citrus oils too is that if you are using an oil for therapeutic purposes that you don't necessarily love the smell of, add a little bit of a citrus oil in there and it's going to help kind of break apart that smell you might not love and make it a little bit more fresh and easier to handle.
Yes, that's a really good point.
Yeah.
And that way you're still getting the therapeutic benefits of the oil that you don't enjoy the smell of, but then you're getting a nice hit of an oil you do like the scent of. All right, that concludes everything for my monthly wellness box for the month of July. Next month, we are going to check out your wellness box, I think.
Sure.
And then in September, we're gonna see what Sarah's got in her monthly wellness box. So if you guys like these types of videos, this is almost like a little oil Young Living haul. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we will catch you guys in another video.